4 rules of reading Russian you need to know. Rule number 1. Reduction of the vowels. When vowels O, Ye, and Ya are not in a stressed position, they sound like A and И. Молоко. Мясной. Весело. Rule number 2. Voiced consonants in the end of the word are transformed into voiceless. You remember the voiced and voiceless pairs D, T, B, P, G, K. So in this word, we don't say шоколад, we say chocolate. Rule number 3. When the letter G is in between two letters O or between Е and O, it sounds like V. Его, него, доброго. And rule number 4. The combination of those letters in verbs sounds like ца. Умываться, просыпаться, смеяться.